Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Claire. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and let's get into it. So today is just a random day in my life. I've got a couple of things planned. First of all, it is 8:45 and I just got back from a bike ride with my father. It was actually really nice. We went for a good hour. I'm very tired and my butt hurts, so does my legs. We went down to Castle Craig, went up and down a lot of hills. It was a lot of work. My legs are very sore. It's the first time I've bike ridden, so you know, props to me. But I've got a Zoom appointment today that I have to go to, and I'm meeting up with a friend. But other than that, let's come spend a random day in my life with me. We're probably gonna have breakfast soon because I had pre-breakfast, which was just wheat pigs. But we're probably gonna have a good Sunday breakfast. Other than that, yeah. Hey guys, so breakfast was delicious, but now we got to clean up my room. Hey guys, so now that that's done and my space is all clean, I gotta sit down, do some work, catch up on emails and stuff. I'm not really excited at all for it actually. It's really, really sad and annoying, and cables are hurting my feet. Cables, oh my god, no. Cords. We gotta do some editing as well, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Emily, long-time friend. We've had an eventful day.
Yep.
You could say that. We came to Lanco and we wanted to have a picnic, right? So then we got the supplies.
Which we don't have with us because we left them in a safe spot.
Yeah, that's true, by the way. And then we went down to a park and then it started raining. So we went into this like cave sort of thing. And then we came up to like, what's this place called?
The canopy.
Yeah,
the
that
canopy.
thing.
Not
So
even
then,
local.
so then we sat down, and then midway through us having a conversation about summer, she realizes that she's forgot her earrings. She has them in now. So then we go find them, retrace our steps, find one of them. Then we go halfway back to here.
And it's pouring at this point. Absolute, like drenching. Like look at us, we're soaked.
So then
Absolutely.
we go back to keep looking, and then lovely Miss Emily here realizes that she had it the whole time.
In my pocket.
But we did technically lose one, so you know, that's okay. And then we went and got Choco Charlie's chips, and then we came up to the playground, slipped, lost the phone, kind of, and then now we're like vlogging again, and we're gonna go eat our chips. Yes, like.
But we're having an end of year holiday and we're going down to Shoalhaven.
The fact that you haven't it's like fun, but I'm gonna slip.
Hold on.
No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Now I've lost momentum.
You don't want to get...
Oh, okay. So it's possible. I'm scared.
You'll do it.
Just land right.
Oh, yes.
It's kind of.
She's got it. Oh my god, Claire, are you okay?
Did you get that?
Sorry.
Hey guys, hi. Okay, so the last thing that you guys saw was me falling on my ass. And it hurt a lot, I will say that. Like, it hurt so much, okay? I had a wet bottom and it just hurt so much. But basically just afterwards, me and Emily said goodbye because she had to go. And then I came home and got ready for today, did some stuff, watched some TV, but that's really all. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just got back from a walk. I'm out of breath still though. Okay, I'm kind of having like an afternoon snack sort of thing, and I just want to show you guys because it's really good. And yeah, so we just got a new watermelon, so I have like a whole entire ginormous half of a watermelon. That's good watermelon. Okay, I love watermelon, but hot watermelon isn't great. Cold watermelon has to be sitting in the fridge for like a decent half an hour. Anyway, I've also got another slice of that. And then, my pride and joy, I've got, I don't know if you can see, chocolate croissant. Yum, so good. I'm just like, oh. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my little snack. Bye.
Excuse to get the camera pointed towards us.
Look at me. I'm so amazing. Chloe just chilling. Mom reading her lovely book. Stop! You just stole a chip.
It was mine originally.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Intermission of the beautiful sky. And then the $15 million houses.
I want to finish my chips before we start the boat. And get going. And you have like a whole
slowly
packet.
then. I have like a handful. Now we're gonna do an intermission of me. Because I'm amazing.
I feel like pressing the bullet button on your
No, don't. Oh, wait. We're getting to something interesting. They're doing the other side now. I love how, Mum, you're not worried about it at all. And you're not cranky anymore. It's really nice.
Worried about what?
Like she's reading her book undisturbed.
You can't even
You
hear us
forgot
when we
all-
talk to you.
A little bit like anxious and like, I don't know what the right word is.
About the boat or in general?
About the boat, about the lily pad, just about everything.
That's
So much easier, isn't it? Boy, Joshi.
You're going to try and stay that way. So don't you all mess it up?
These stupid videos, and two, you can make a journal out of this.
Yeah, no. What do you think I'm doing?
When you have iBooks,
iMovie?
iBooks, future iBooks.
Oh, right.
When all books aren't on paper,
Okay.
ebooks. Oh, that's what it's called. ebooks. Yeah, stuff.
You were trying to say evil. So you said iMovie. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Just go and leave the life jacket there.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just hanging on. This is Starfish Beach, by the way, everyone.
That's what
Looks like we're not going anywhere.
Can I have some chips, please?
No.
Please, please.
for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love sort of putting together all these random clips that I get throughout like 2 days of just happy things that I need to notice more, because I always have this mentality that life sucks. Just me, maybe, I don't know, but I know, I just thought it would be better to see that life's good sometimes still. I don't know really what I'm saying here. I'll make that outro quick. So please just like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps me out. So does liking and sharing with your friends, like getting the word out there would be great. And go follow my Instagram, because I'm actually getting so much more active on there. But yeah, that's all.
From a different continent, I packed a bag in confidence.